Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile look on IMVU. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, tap on your profile icon at the top of your screen. Tap on Edit at the top right of your screen. Select Change Profile Look. Now you can change your profile look according to your preference. You can either tap on your saved looks or customize your avatar by tapping on the various options available at the top of your screen. Once you're finished, tap on Done at the top right of your screen. And that's it. Now you have successfully changed your profile look on IMVU. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.